Walking to GilComPlex on the road, we stopped by Slinky Stove at the Florida RV Supershow to see Eddie, and we're watching this video on some of the amazing updates to their 23-inch Slinky Stove. But we definitely want to see it for ourselves too.
That's awesome.
It goes attached to because there we do
Yeah.
That's a cast iron. And we put this little toaster thing on.
bacon.
That's great because it keeps the mess in the
Yes.
Yes.
Raise a toast to the moments that we share with our fluffy co-pilots. Love fills the air. Quirky roadside stops to the view so grand. Life's better together, hand in hand. Oh man.
Good morning. So we're here with Eddie from Slinky Stove, and we were just checking out his latest.
Iteration, version.
Yeah. So he's going away from the different versions to just this main version.
Well, this is the most popular size, and we figured out a way to make this now, which is a major innovation. All in one, basically, a dual use wood fire and gas all in one. So you no longer need to decide whether or not you want gas or wood, which works with wood, charcoal, or pellets. And we've made some upgrades also. We made the handles a little thicker. We've made all the edges rounded off. And also we expanded the grill. So now it comes all the way to the edge. And the way it nests is different because the way that we have the round edges, we're able to fit the grill inside. And also I added a handle to the grill. So now you're able to add more wood with the handle. You want to have it in this position. Or, also now, so if you want to be more exposed to it, you could have it here, or it up to this level, or this level. And the way
Very
that
nice.
this works is that you take this out, and then you just put this in, right there. With these two little screws, you just put it inside, and that's it. And now you have the propane. You just have to set it up here. It's easier from that side. But right there. So now you have the propane
Oh,
all in one. And you could get the holes. That's a quick detach. So you could attach it directly to your RV or any other kind of size container. 1 gallon, 5 gallons.
And this will let you adjust the size of the
Yes,
flame?
the size of the flame.
Oh, okay.
Unfortunately, we can't turn it on here right now, but
So you can have it low, or so if you had it down, you may want it to be lower. But if
Exactly.
you had it up, you'd want it to be higher.
yes.
That's awesome.
And if you're cooking, you could also put a pan on it or a cast iron.
Oh, so if you didn't want the mess going
Right.
into your stove,
You put the grill
you
on.
could put this on and cook actually in a pan.
Correct. And it's
Ah.
so now you don't need to carry a barbecue. You don't need to carry a Blackstone or other types of griddles. You could put the griddle right here or a frying pan, and you could cook whatever kind of cooking that you want, or a Dutch oven. So it covers everything, and it's adjustable on the height. So you don't have to have the
Oh, so
flame
you could
that
put-
high. You could have a lower temperature and conserve your propane.
It's like an all-in-one.
It's all in one.
That's amazing. Yeah, because I'm all about mess. So when
Yeah.
you were talking about
Oh, me
grilling
too.
on this, I was thinking, ugh, where's all that stuff's gonna go? But if you had a good size skillet,
That's right.
like fry pan,
Right.
you could just sit it right here and you could do your burgers or whatever you wanted to do.
And it's a lot easier to clean the
Yeah.
skillet than to clean the whole
Absolutely.
fire pit.
Absolutely.
You
I
just
like
take it
that
out.
a lot. Because, we have a grill and same thing, it goes everywhere. It's such a mess. But
Right.
that's awesome.
Much easier to clean.
Very
If you
cool.
had a pan, like for example, this would be the pan.
Very cool. So are you, for the show, are you offering any kind of, can people
Well-
take them away or do they order them?
We actually are out of stock
Okay.
right now. And this is the new iteration. So we ran out of stock of the old one, and now we won't have this until March.
Okay.
So there's been a lot of anticipation for this going in, but we won't have it ready in March. But check with us in March.
Okay.
We're taking people's names here and emails, and then we'll email. But most likely we're gonna have it ready in March, so they can
Okay.
come back to our website and check and buy it in March.
Scan the QR code to explore more about Slinky Stove. And if you want to get on the mailing list for when they release the new Slinky Stove with both wood and propane options, be sure to scroll to the bottom and click Contact Us. And don't forget to let Eddie know that you watched our video too. But wait, there's more. They have a pizza oven attachment for the Slinky Stove. Larry, we got to spend more money.
We are GilComPlex.